Collagen Facial Kit, a step towards advanced collagen care for my tired skin with plant collagen. Step 1. Cleanser. We begin by gently exfoliating, creating the perfect canvas. Step 2. Toning Essence, a burst of hydration to prep and refresh the skin. Step 3. Massage Creme. Now massage in the goodness of plant collagen and copper tripeptide for 5 to 10 minutes for a firmer, smoother looking skin. Step 4. Tightening Mask. Apply an even layer for 5 to 10 minutes. Let it dry, then wipe with a wet towel. Step 5. Collagen Sheet Mask. Place it over your face for 2 to 3 minutes. Lock in intense hydration and give your skin the collagen boost it deserves. Lastly, Step 6. Sunscreen. Seal it all with sun protection because every glow deserves to last.